Welcome to Holistic Health Conspiracies, Truth or Deception. I'm your host, Dr. Sue Williams from Quantum Holistic Health. In this podcast, we dive into the intriguing and sometimes confusing world of holistic health and wellness, uncovering the secrets, controversies, and conspiracies that shape our understanding of natural healing. Today, we're tackling a hot button issue that has sparked debates and discussions for decades. Big Pharma versus alternative medicine. Are pharmaceutical companies suppressing natural remedies to protect their profits, or is alternative medicine lacking the scientific rigor to be considered valuable and valid? Let's explore the evidence and see if we can uncover the truth. Now, the first part of the podcast today is an introduction to Big Pharma and alternative medicine. So let's first define what we mean by Big Pharma and alternative medicine. Big Pharma refers to the global pharmaceutical industry, which is responsible for developing, producing, and marketing drugs. These companies play a crucial role in advancing medical science and providing treatments for various illnesses. However, they have also been criticised for their profit-driven motives, their high drug prices, some astronomically high, and the potential of suppression for alternative treatments. Alternative medicine, on the other hand, encompasses a wide range of practices and therapies that fall outside conventional Western medicine. This includes herbal remedies, acupuncture, chiropractic care, homeopathy, and so many more. Proponents of alternative medicine argue that these therapies offer natural and holistic approaches to healing, often with fewer side effects. Now let's look at the historical context and some key controversies. The tension between Big Pharma and alternative medicine certainly isn't new. Historically, many traditional healing practices were sidelined with the rise of modern medicine and pharmaceuticals. Let's look at some key controversies that highlight this conflict. Firstly, the Flexner Report of 1910. This report played a significant role in shaping modern medical education in the United States. Commissioned by the Carnegie Foundation, the report led to the closure of many medical schools that taught homeopathy and other alternative practices. While it helped standardize medical education, it also marginalized many holistic and natural therapies. Next, let's look at the war on cannabis. For decades, cannabis was demonized and banned in many parts of the world, largely due to political and economic reasons. However, recent research has highlighted its potential medicinal benefits, leading to a resurgence of interest in its therapeutic uses. The struggle to get cannabis accepted as a legitimate medicine highlights the broader conflict between pharmaceutical interests and natural remedies. Now, let's look at the arguments for Big Pharma. Let's start by examining the arguments in favour of this particular worldwide group. There are several reasons why pharmaceutical companies are considered essential to modern medicine. Firstly, there is the rigorous testing and regulation. Pharmaceutical drugs undergo extensive testing and clinical trials before they reach the market. This process ensures that medications are safe and effective. Regulatory bodies like the FDA oversee these processes to protect public health. Next, innovation and research. Big Pharma invests heavily in research and development, leading to breakthroughs in treatments for diseases like cancer, HIV, and heart disease. These innovations have saved countless lives and improve the quality of life for many patients. Next, accessibility and standardization. Pharmaceutical companies produce drugs on a large scale, ensuring that medications are standardized and widely available. This mass production helps maintain consistent quality and dosage, which is crucial for patient safety. Now, let's talk about the criticisms of Big Pharma. Despite these benefits, Big Pharma faces significant criticisms. Here are some of the main concerns. Firstly, profit motives. Critics argue that pharmaceutical companies prioritize profits over patients. High drug prices, aggressive marketing strategies, and prioritization of profitable treatments over essential medicines are common complaints. Secondly, suppression of alternative treatments. There is a belief that Big Pharma actively suppresses natural and alternative treatments that could compete with their products. This includes lobbying against the legalization of natural remedies and discrediting alternative therapies through funded research. Next, the side effects and drug dependency. Pharmaceutical drugs often come with side effects and the risk of dependency. Alternative medicine advocates arguing that natural therapies are safer and focus on treating the root cause rather than just the symptoms. Now, the case for alternative medicine. Let's turn to the arguments in favour of alternative medicine. Supporters believe that these therapies offer valuable benefits that conventional medicine sometimes overlooks. Let's look at the holistic approach. Alternative medicine often takes this holistic approach, addressing the physical, mental, and emotional aspects of health. This can lead to more comprehensive and personalised care. Let's look at natural remedies. Many alternative treatments use natural substances that are believed to be safer and have fewer side effects compared to synthetic drugs, and herbal remedies, essential oils, and dietary supplements are common examples of these natural remedies. Preventative care. Alternative medicine emphasises prevention and maintaining health through lifestyle changes, good nutrition, and effective stress management. This proactive approach can prevent illnesses before they occur. Now let's look at criticisms of alternative medicine. Alternative medicine is not without its criticisms. Firstly, the lack of scientific evidence. Many alternative treatments lack rigorous scientific evidence to support their efficacy. This makes it challenging to determine their true effectiveness and safety. Regulation and quality control. The alternative medicine industry is less regulated than the pharmaceutical industry, leading to concerns about the quality and consistency of natural products. This lack of oversight can result in products that are ineffective and, on occasion, even harmful. What about potential risks? While natural remedies are often seen as safer, they are not without risks. Some herbal supplements can interact with prescription medications or cause adverse reactions. It's essential to use alternative treatments under the guidance of a qualified practitioner. Now, let's talk about bridging the gap. So, what we've spoken about already, where does this leave us? Is it Big Pharma versus alternative medicine? Or can these two approaches coexist? Integrative medicine. Now, this seeks to combine the best of both worlds, using evidence-based practices from conventional medicine alongside holistic approaches from alternative medicine. This model aims to provide comprehensive care that addresses the whole person. And also patient-centered care. Ultimately, the goal should be patient-centered care. This means respecting patients' preferences, values, and needs while providing safe and effective treatments. Whether a treatment comes from Big Pharma or alternative medicine, it should be evaluated based on its merits and the evidence supporting it. So, in conclusion, the debate between Big Pharma and alternative medicine is so complex and very multifaceted. Both sides have valid points, and both play essential roles in the landscape of healthcare. By fostering collaboration and open-mindedness, we can work towards a healthcare system that benefits from the strengths of both approaches. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Big Pharma versus alternative medicine. I hope this episode has provided some valuable insights and food for thought. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe, rate, and leave a review. Your support helps us continue to bring you investigative content on holistic health conspiracies. So this is Dr. Sue saying, until next time, stay curious and very definitely stay healthy.